What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna quickly show you how to change your iCloud region or country here on your phone so you can download apps which are actually restricted in your specific region. For example, I am in a region which doesn't allow me to download TikTok. So every time I tap here on TikTok and I want to make sure I open it here on App Store, it says app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So I'm unable to download TikTok, for example. You might be dealing with a different application, and I know how annoying this is. Do not worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your country, and I'm going to show you how to solve most of the common issues that people face while changing their country or region here on your iPhone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into the video, this is going to work regardless of your iPhone device. In my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 16 Pro, but if you've got a different one, do not worry, the process is exactly the same. So first things first, what we need to do is hop straight into settings right here, and then we're going to hop into your iCloud here. You're going to tap once here where you've got your name over here. Tap once over here, and then we're going to tap here on media and purchases down here, right? Tap once on media and purchases. Next up, simply tap here on view account, right? So over here, you'll be able to see your account, which is your iCloud account, okay, your email account and your balance and all that. Next up, the next thing you need to do is simply tap here on country or region, right? Tap once over here. It's gonna take you a couple seconds to load depending on your internet speed. And once you're here, you can now change the country you wish to change to. The one you desire to select, simply select it and tap on done. Now, in a few situations, you might not be able to see the country list in here because you might be having an active subscription and you need to actually deactivate that or change your payment method. Let me show you how to do that. For example, if you're unable to see the countries in here just the way I'm looking at, simply tap on done or go back. And then over here, you need to tap here on subscriptions right here, okay? So once you tap on subscriptions, you will be brought to a screen which looks just like this one right here, something like this, right? So you'll be able to see a list of all subscriptions that you've got. In my case, I don't have any, but if you have a subscription which is activated, you'll be able to see a list of active subscriptions. As you can see over here, you've got active, and then we've got in here expired. So you need to make sure you deactivate the subscriptions because the cost of each subscription varies from country or region to region, right? So you want to make sure you deactivate all that, and then you create a new billing cycle within the new region that you are going to select right now. Now, if you do not have anything active in here and you still face this issue right here, which is not allowing you to actually change the country or region down here, do not worry. If you're still unable to see the country, simply tap here on manage payments, right? So you want to make sure you tap here on manage payments, and then once you're here, you'll be able to see all payment methods that you've got in here linked to your specific Apple ID account, right? So what you need to do in here is basically deactivate or delete all these payment methods in here and then change your region so you can create a new payment method. Because what happens is App Store doesn't allow you to actually perform payments in the US with a card or with a banking system, for example, in Europe, okay? It won't allow you to do so unless you have a credit card, but in most cases it won't allow you. So you need to select the accepted payment methods which are actually from that specific region. So you need to deactivate everything in here by simply tapping here on edit, and then you can easily remove, for example, as you can see, by tapping here on this red dot, you'll be able to see a remove option. Simply tap on remove, and that specific payment method will be deactivated real quick. This is how you deactivate payment methods in here. So make sure you deactivate all of them and then simply tap on done and go back in order to see if you're now able to change your country or region by tapping down here. This is very easy, and this is how you can actually change your country or region. Now, once you're done doing all that, I would recommend you to double check if everything's working fine here on your app store, if you now have access to apps that you didn't have before. Now, if you've changed your country or region and you're still unable to download apps which are not allowed to be downloaded in the previous region where you were, what I would recommend you to do is to simply close the app store and then turn off your phone and turn it on again, right? So to turn it off, simply press and hold the side button along with the volume down button. Okay, press and hold, release it once you see the slide to power off, slide it to power it off, and let it turn off for a few seconds. Here we go. My phone is now off, and now I'm gonna restart it by turning it back on. Pressing and holding the side button in here to turn it back on. Here we go. Just a couple seconds, and boom, here we go. It's almost on. It's now on. So here we go. My phone is now on. Let me quickly unlock it real quick. Phone is on, and once that's done, I would recommend you guys to double check first in settings by hopping back into settings, tapping over here, and then going down to media and purchases once again, tap on view account, and then double check if your country has been changed or not, right? By tapping here on country and region and check here if the new country is now being selected or not, right? Now just double check this, and once you've double checked this, if it didn't change, simply change it once again and then reopen your app store to see if the issue has been fixed or not. I hope this tutorial has helped you fixing this issue. If you have any doubt or any issue, please let me know in the comment section down below so I can further guide you in order to help you fixing the issue that you've been facing. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and share it with more people so I can consequently help more people fixing this problem. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.